DJI Mini 4 Pro, dangerous intersection. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. When I first moved to the state of Florida about 13 years ago, where we live was just at most a 2-lane road, and then they expanded it to a 4-lane road, 2 lanes in each direction. It's a U.S. state route. Well, right now, because of the incredible development that we've had around here, it's now 6 lanes, 3 in each direction. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I consider a typical intersection here on US 301, and it's a dangerous one. So let's go ahead and roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Mini 4 Pro up today. I'm going to show you an interesting intersection that's by us. Let's go ahead and get screen recording started. Okay, screen recording is underway. Let's go ahead and move that icon here. Okay, we have 19 satellites. Everything is ready to go. Let's go ahead and we're now 4K 30. Let's get that started. Okay, that's started, and we're ready to take off.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
And get this up to about 100 feet here. Okay, that's good. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal. It is an absolutely beautiful day today here. Mid-80s and early March, and spring break is coming up, so that's good for the tourism industry here in our wonderful state. Okay, there's the entrance to our development. Let's go ahead and head down this way here. What I really like are days like today where there is sunshine, but there are a lot of scattered clouds, and I think that's great because that helps not make it as hot, and also with the sun, a lot of times it's hard to see things. Okay, we're coming up on US 301. I'm going to start my turn now. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, US 301 is a 6-lane state highway that is by us, and you heard me right, it's 6 lanes, 3 in each direction. And back in the day, Valerie was telling me, and even when I moved to Florida 13 years ago, this was not 6 lanes. It was maybe 1 lane in each direction for a long time, and then they expanded it to 2, and now with all the building, they expanded it to 3. And we're coming up on this intersection here, and I want to take a minute. I'm going to get things adjusted here. Just pitch the gimbal a little bit. Let's take it down this way. I'm going to slide it over this way here a little bit. Okay, what you can see right here, this intersection that we have, obviously you can make right-hand turns here. That isn't an issue, but the real issue is on people that are coming off of Bill Tucker Road, which is the side road that you see right there, making a left onto 301. Now the direction we're facing 301 north right now. Now if you want to go 301 south, you got to cross 3 lanes of traffic right there. There's a little bit of a median right there that you can stop in, not much, and then you have to really gun it because people are doing, speed limit's 55, but let's face it, it's Florida. And rules are optional, and yeah, and unfortunately I know of at least one fatal accident at this intersection because of this issue. And we have a lot, unfortunately, we have a lot of these intersections in the state of Florida right here. It's just really bad. And what they did, there's an intersection just further on, a little bit further on down, about another 3/4 of a mile. And what they did was they put up these plastic barriers. So, and it's a development with a very similar situation. So you can't make that left-hand turn. So I think that's what's going to end up happening here as well too. I think we're going to have them do that. So, but yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show this to you to kind of give you a perspective on some things here. And then we're going to kind of head in the right direction here. And there's a nice retaining wall on separating our development from US 301. So the noise level is very negligible, even for houses near the wall over there. Signal strength is absolutely fantastic. And we're coming up on the intersection here. There's a bus stop here. We even have bus service because we live in a outlying area of the county here, and we have a bus service. Buses come out here as well too. So. And we're coming up on the entrance of the development here. And we're going to return to home and let that finish things up here.
Return to home.
Let's see how we do in landing in the bed of my Tundra here. I almost said Tacoma. Oops. I say that because I've had 3 Tacomas before, so. And here we go. Moment of truth here.
Landing.
Let's see how we do. Looks like we're looking pretty good here. Looking real good here. Looking very good. And even in the wind, I'm very impressed. The wind picked up and it landed, it did a spot-on landing here. So that you got to see a dangerous intersection here in the state of Florida, courtesy of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Mini 4 Pro dangerous intersection? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.